Hello and welcome. Friends, my dear students, today we are going to learn a very simple topic but very innovative concept to remember in a very innovative way with the help of my innovative teaching aid. So this is a low cost or absolutely no cost teaching aid is prepared from the waste bottle caps to understand or to form a teaching aid which can create a very innovative learning skill to understand and memorize the concepts and the names of a human body, the names of bones in very systematic, in very simple way. Today, we are going to learn the bones of vertebral column or the bones of our backbone. So as you all know, vertebral column or a backbone is rod-like, but it is not straight rod. It can curve, it can move. That means it is flexible. The approximate length is around 70 centimeters. So today, let us going to learn the bones of vertebral column in details. As we all know, the vertebral columns are made up of 5 sections or 5 divisions or 5 regions. They are: the first one is the cervical part of vertebral column. Second one is thoracic. Third one is lumbar. We also pronounce as lumbar. The fourth one is the sacrum. And the fifth one is coccyx. Cervical, thoracic, lumbar, sacrum and coccyx. So let us understand the names of bones of vertebral column individually. As vertebral column has 5 different regions, so their locations in the human body are different. The cervical region is portion found in neck region, the thoracic one in the chest cavity, the lumbar one is in belly, the sacrum in hip region and the coccyx in the tail region. So let us understand the different vertebra of the vertebral column. As you can see here, it is made up of small caps or the bottle caps. Each are called as vertebrae. So vertebral column has total 33 vertebrae. So let us count. The cervical region is made up of 7 vertebrae, C1 to C7. The thoracic vertebra is made up of 12 vertebrae, T1 till T12. The lumbar one is made up of 5 vertebrae, L1 to L5. The sacrum one is made up of 5 vertebrae, S1 to S5. Coccyx is of 4 vertebrae, C1 to C4. So if we count all this together, it becomes 33 vertebrae. My dear friends, my dear student, let us understand the concept in very innovative and clear-cut manner. Vertebral column is made up of 33 vertebrae, but it has only 26 bones. Now, you can see here the very important concept and very simple concept, how the pearl necklace is made of a pearl. Same way, this vertebral column is made up of vertebrae. They are very small vertebrae in a human body. The first one is the cervical vertebra, is called as atlas. As you all know how Atlas has balanced the whole world in his shoulder, same way the first bone of the cervical vertebra is also called as the atlas, which balances our neck region. So each bone and each vertebrae having different structures and they possess different functions. Now why we are calling as they have 26 bones? Because when you come into the parts of sacrum, sacrum is made up of 5 vertebrae, but all 5 vertebrae fuse to form a single sacral bone. At the same time, the coccyx is made up of 4 vertebrae, but all coccyx fuse together to form a single coccyx bone. So now let us count. Cervical is 7 bones, thoracic is of 12 bones, lumbar is of 5 bones, sacrum 1 bone, coccyx 1 bone. 7, 12, 5 plus 1 plus 1. So together it becoming 26 bones. So my dear students, this is a very simple way to remember bones. And this is one of the simple teaching aid which you also can prepare at home. This can be used to understand with your own level the different bones in vertebral column.